On this episode of Junkyard Jeep, we finally finished my dad's Kaiser Dream Jeep with paint. We fixed the steering on that thing. We get it done and send it on its way. It came out incredible for $40 rustolium paint. And my daughter adopts her very first kitten. And he's a headbanger. Look. Well, we're back in the Colorado Grandpa Junkyard Jeep, getting more parts. You know, I like getting parts. I like getting parts more than working, because getting parts isn't working, you see. Working doesn't have that. A vent blowing cold air. Working on Jeeps doesn't have one of these. This is a win. The more parts we get, the more win, because the more I sit here and not work. And I get to sit in front of this beautiful device right here, cold air vent. Stay tuned. Okay, one of the final pieces of this rotting puzzle is this bell crank. This thing is completely hammered, as most of these are on these old Kaiser Jeeps. So, this comes off, and then this nut comes off, and this whole turd should just slide right out. We got to get that out. I've been soaking that in oil. Then we can start paint. This is one of the last pieces, so let's get cranking on that. I got to go get my broken Harbor Freight, whatever you call it, separator, tie rod separator. And yeah, I'll show you that. The power of Harbor Freight runs true through this tie rod separator. Yeah, look, it's not even solid. It's lead in the middle, and then it's a hollow handle on the outside. Pretty sweet. Way to go, Harbor Freight. It still works though. We just stick that turd right there, hit her with the old hammer, and that will pop right off. Okay, now we're gonna spin that turd out with a giant screwdriver. And a little more, a little more, a little more. Okay, give her a wiggle and see if she'll fall out. Okay, a little more. You should be able to turn it by hand. Oh, that's okay, that's just a seal. We'll hose clamp that back on or whatever. You should be able to spin that thing by hand now. Yeah. Don't take it all the way out. She's almost out. Maybe one more turn.
Which way is it? Down or?
Yeah, go straight down.
This part?
Yeah. There's a ball inside there. There you go. Boom. Okay, well, we're not going to be painting anytime soon or doing brakes anytime soon. We put in our new bearings, our new grease seals, and beating and swearing with the hammer, fighting this, all that, and the steering is still messed up. Let me demonstrate now. So, more mysteries to be unlocked. So, this thing is still wobbly, side play. Also, I have this nut ran down really, really tight. And it's not very tight when you put a wrench on it. So I think the threads bottomed out on this guy before this was all cinched together real tight. Because this is awfully loose. When the steering's not hooked up, this is awfully, awfully loose. You'd think it'd have some resistance or something. This behemoth sack of hardware. So I'm thinking maybe if I use this old pin with the new coupler, unless the new coupler is going to be loose on this guy, then it's gonna wobble anyway. It's tight here, it's loose here. So, Miss Junkyard Jeep had an ingenious discovery. The one on the left is way longer, the new one. The one on the right is the original, and it's way shorter. And that's why we got the slop from side to side. I was right. The threads were bottoming out before it was tight, and it's because this turd is longer than this turd. We're going to reuse the old turd, shove her back in there. Problem fixed. Okay, ready? Give her some left and right action. Oh, yeah. More beans. Oh, yeah. Okay, turn it the other way. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're good, bro. It don't move at all. Yeah! That deserves a victory death metal growl.
And now, watch John paint the whole Jeep with 2X apple red.
Yeah, it's even rustolium handle.
Yeah.
Look at that piece of hardware.
Yeah, it's made just for it.
Dude, this is Billy the redneck paint sprayer 2.0. Look at that. Dude. Man, $45 in paint. Wow, that looks nice. Dang. That cherry gloss, man, the rustolium, I'm telling you. Wow. Man, that looks good. Wow, look at that. Dang. Oh, good. Oh, and look, some bags blew onto my paint. Probably gonna ruin my paint here. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's real good. Oh, yeah, the bag even stuck to the paint. Yeah, that's real good. Yeah, thank you, bags. Thank you. That was much, much appreciated. Cookie, we have got to get this Jeep finished. You gonna help me paint? Can you shake the spray can for me? Can you fit a spray can in your little guinea pig mouth? Ooh, definitely not gonna help me play Diablo. There's my fire wizard. What do you think, buddy? You gonna help? What have you done? What have you have to say for yourself? What did you do? I hope that there's just candy bars in there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he is gorgeous. Hi, buddy. What's his name?
Niffler.
Niffler. Is that a Harry Potter name?
Yeah.
Hey, dude. Let's get him inside. Oh my goodness, he's quick.
He is. He just hops around. It's so cute.
See, look, he's bobbing up and down. Okay. 8 bloody knuckles, 3,200 swear words later and 5 wrench throws later. Look at these cute little Hyundai tires. Aren't these cute? They're like little Hot Wheels wheels. So cute. Well, that paint sure brought it out. Now we gotta drive this turd and make sure it runs as good as it looks. Because if it doesn't run as good as it looks, it's not a complete package now, is it? Look at these floors. We just redid the floors too. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Alright, let's see how she does. New head gasket, new clutch, new paint, new cuss words, new bloody knuckles, and one broken drill bit. See if it's worth it.
All the gauges.
Yeah, everything works.
Wow, this is smooth.
Running pretty good.
Smooth.
Whoa, you gotta step on the brake so hard.
Oh, you haven't done the brakes yet.
Pull in second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she runs good. Not that noisy.
Not at all.
He was worried about like rocker clack.
Oh no.
Let's see if I can downshift without grinding. Oh my god, it's a miracle. It doesn't grind.
Does it have gas in it?
Yeah. Yeah, shit's no problem.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you're not gonna have any problem with the clutch.
Oh, look. It's like,
I know. Wait, I need to hook up the power wire to it. All moving. Can't do that with this, I guess. I can do it with my T15.
wow, this is awesome.
Oh, first gear must be lower then. That's what it is. How am I lean? My knee is not gonna move.
Oh, your brakes.
It has good brakes. It's just you gotta press them so hard.
Wow.
Cool. Well, Stuff Wuff, what do you think? How you like how the Jeep turned out, huh? Was that good enough for $40 worth of rustolium paint, Well, guys, so there you have it. We bought that rotting turd off Facebook for $4,500, put 1,000 into it after the head gasket and clutch blew after driving it clear across town, and we painted it, fixed the steering, and it's like a brand new Jeep. It should last a long time. It should serve my dad well on the beaches of Mexico, getting thrashed in the sand. What's the next project? I want to build a big old rock crawler. I'm getting a Jeep T19 soon. With a Chevy adapter, so I'm thinking big 4-speed rock crawler with Chevy V8. So maybe I'm looking for a $900 CJ5 body and frame and axles, a roller, a CJ5 roller with no drivetrain. That'd be cool. So if y'all got a CJ5 roller with no engine, no transmission, no transfer case in the $900,000 range, let me know. I'll come pick it up. And we'll see you on the next episode of Slap Your Goat in the Butt Jeep.